Welcome to Therapy Cable. This is Dr. Ehsan Garajadaki, and today we will be very briefly discussing an introduction into what we know as personality disorders. Usually, personality disorders are categorized into three different general groups first, and we call these groups clusters because more or less they cluster around a central theme. The cluster A, which is called the odd and eccentric type of a cluster, really has three personality disorders in that cluster or category. One being paranoid personality disorder, the other one schizoid personality disorder, as well as the schizotypal or schizotypal personality disorder. Each one of these personality disorders have a common feature with the other, and that is that central theme, the odd, eccentric way that they appear. So also across the other clusters, the way they have been really lumped together is around their appearance, the way they seem to us, these personality disorders. So cluster B, for example, is the emotional, the erratic, the dramatic cluster, because each one of those subcategories of borderline personality disorder, antisocial personality disorder, histrionic personality disorder, and narcissistic personality disorder have this common feature of being emotional and erratic and dramatic in their presentations. And the last one, the category or cluster C, is called the fearful, anxious cluster. Again, because of the subcategories of avoidant personality disorder, dependent personality disorder, and obsessive compulsive personality disorder, really surrounding the main central theme of anxiety and fearfulness about certain challenge, if you will, a certain main concept and construct within a person's life. So this is a very brief understanding of why these personality disorders have been actually categorized into these three different groups. It is really a preliminary understanding of helping us see them from a different angle, especially as it relates to their unique features, the way they present them to us. So again, very brief summary. Cluster A, odd, eccentric, with paranoid, schizoid, schizotypal personality disorders, surrounding around a little bit of a social awkwardness, an awkward and eccentric type of presentation, interaction with their environment. Cluster B, the dramatic, emotional, erratic cluster, with borderline personality, antisocial, histrionic, and narcissistic personality disorders being the personality disorders that come across as very impulsive, erratic, emotional, dramatic, highly elevated, highly energetic type of interaction with their environment. And then last one, cluster C, avoidant, dependent, and obsessive compulsive personality disorders revolving around their inner anxiety and fear about certain issues in life, that most of it most likely very subconscious or unconscious to them. However, that's how they represent or present themselves to their environment and interact with their environment. Thank you for watching this. Next, we will review a video on each of these personality disorders according to those categories. The first one being cluster A. We will dig deeper into the differences and similarities between paranoid, schizoid, and schizotypal personality disorders. If you like this video, please leave a comment and share this video with others. We certainly welcome your comments. We would like to get your ideas. If you have any other thoughts, ideas how to improve our videos or the content, we would very much appreciate it. Thank you.